Watch BM Samuel Kwaba Adom TV Badwam Jumadi so na yada Apostle Dr. Nita Kutegu ase ni nkranhyensem de du so ne Badwam kase sam no ne obeti wo mu bi ni osofo hwe interior so ene mpanifo bi akọ Gunjaland na nanom atsan kwanya ne won akodi nkomo nsem wei ene nsem bebre na no pay yede bro Adom TV Badwam kase a wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 Uko YouTube search Adom TV Tube ne kwa adomonline.com semi eni sembebre ewo ho midi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die yentiensem no enchemu osofo hwe interior so muntaka mubarak ne wone nananom atsankunya ne mpanifo bi akọ Gunja asase so eni won akodi nkomo se yenhwe na asundue emfa ne ntomapa emfra.
And you know there's curfew, and in the curfew it has stated everything: no carrying of arms, no wearing a war regalia, no carrying of offensive weapons and all that. And the His Royal Highness have given us assurance that they are going to cooperate with the security agencies to ensure that all these things are brought to an end. So be rest assured that, I mean, we are just calling on all the freedom functions to understand that nothing can be compared to peace. Once we all agree to sit down and begin talking, I'm sure all these things will be a thing of the past. You see the immigration officers here. Now we are even combining both the, not only the immigration, but the military and the police, and they are patrolling the whole of our stretch. We are also engaging our colleagues across the borders, in Burkina Faso and Cote d'Ivoire, for all of us to hold the line, to just ensure that we do not necessarily cross to create problems for each other. So all those things have been taken care of. I can assure you that we are not leaving any stone unturned. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is very concerned, and he's showing leadership and is pushing to make sure that we resolve all these things as soon as possible, so that peace will be returned to this place.
Abeto Justin di panan atwo na nanom nsiedo wo menteme ho ase bi akoso wo so tuom na nina no ye homowo dadi a won mu di Adansi ni oni join news di enkomo kiremu a adehye bi a wo mo wo dwene ho eye senka popoi no wo mo so eye bi na nanom atrankonya amma kwa wi akira akwakofa we aba ni panam so afrimu.
Watching after the Chelsea game, so we're here and we had gunshot from the junction. So we got scared. So quickly I locked the place up. And then we saw there was a scuffle between the Sotium chief people and the general people. And the gunshots that was going on, bro, I don't know where they got the bullets from. For like 30 minutes continuously, the gun was just flying. Nobody was even able to record most videos. I don't know how this morning I'm getting some videos for you now. We just asked what was the problem, and we were told, people were having their homo war, and they wanted to come and sprinkle quickly here. But this place is for the Sotium land. So the Sotium people said no, they won't allow them to come and sprinkle quickly here. That is the fight. And so the Sotium people were stopping them from doing it here, and they also insisted that they want to do it. So that's what happened.
Since then, how many people were injured since gunfires were exchanged?
The injured, I can't say by a lot, but then 2 people died.
Confirmed?
Confirmed.
By the
Sotium people. They're Obrafo of Sotium, and then I have to do this. The son of the chief.
The son of the chief also died?
Yeah.
So this morning, how has the situation been like around this place?
Oh, here is calm. If you want to check that one there, I'll direct you to the chief palace. Then you check out that place too. Then I'll direct you to Genoa. Then you check that place too. I've not been there this morning. But then here, it just happened that the clash happened here. But then the main place, so yesterday the police did well. They came in the anonymous. Because if not that, whoa, things will happen.
Enti wasansem we mu no na ohina award no ho ni ayite taki ya wodi kan efre IGP Interior Minister ne mampani se wonye nhwehwemu emfa ne akoso wo so tuom no ho.
Omo confirm manye pictures a me di ho Adansi ye 4 but yati rumors be brave but no dey mean to me hu ye no mean to me fair no nya adwuma but the omu condition no yes serious ni dey omu do so papa me yo in sabi say minim say medio more ama obi ewu amindi cause me chrome for no me do omu na omu nya mi nti mean risky omu life ye be pa IGP cho no nya investigation omu di sade no na mra ne for mu di
eno achi na omanye aba ya ono eno hema ya wo mpotam ho enso ede tudwa sade asie no ye hurukasam ya ensese esibio kra pese ama efin aka ga akonya no a enya asem ketwa
nti omo agumani mu ase omo agu akonya no kra ne mu ase gama nchen fa won se omo mbeku nipa o onu so obeti de aba nko fi o enya ha na meti futu am di be ma won se we are not fighting civil war and nkrafo no ye ni division bia ye nyina ye baako fashion no ye baako enye se ye di afi enti mini wo asema mbeba beko police for ni soldier for kra omo boto anyhow one say police aboto and soldier aboto I didn't want to the extent so about defending him.
Yankon Kwanta North mensimu wo timantemu abeto dwase mpox yare no wonso enya baako ewo ho.
Penimpa help mu de hunsam so ewo Nkwanta North otimantemu Eric Kojo Abuka enna wode atodwa se mpox yare no bi edrum potem ho a enya asem ketua one odom ka se enkomadwetwe mu enna wode atodwa se bomodin bia se obebo manfo ho ban se ne be ya yare no enkotretre na afi so se de omanfo ensunu guje mu san hwa no enya yare no bi no onu betumi aso ano na ode todwa se ewuraba bi ya ono efren kran konkon badwam enna obepie mu ho no ma wo hyase se oyi yade yi ho sunsanso adia penifo bo modin tentem so a
currently, as we speak, we unfortunately recorded one case, confirmed case about 2-3 weeks ago. MPOS we normally it's under the IDSR, which a person who suffers from it might show some signs and symptoms, such as feeling cold, chills, having rashes, pains in the joints, and those things. And it can be transmitted from one person to another, either through contact or droplets. So when somebody gets it, it's one of the priority diseases that we need to make intervention, especially try to put on the surveillance activities to make sure that it is not transmitted to other people. So that's what we've been doing.
Abeto dwase nipa mienu ato na nanom nsiedo ama mienu so eda ayaresabe yadu nyina no se yesusu se wonmo akodi aduane bi ewuduo wo mu wo kwawu atibie ewo poye mantamo
na de si pa de mentumi enhye dan kiremu yie but de memenim na meka de ko ba ne se anopai me sorry na me ezie ni tina ese me kwa sorry na me fa almost no ye na ewo fie tanopa na bosu wo mu kakra bosu ni wo mu no na omumpie ye no yenim se o bosu no titi kakra ombeden timija ho kwa sorry be 11:30 mu ho am hu se me phone bele by the time no na me so na me preach wa sorry nti na me phone me to silence kakra timi ma my wife na hu se my wife nya call na o rush edu so opie o ma me sign say odu fie ti opie ba fie no no one of friend me tema sorry nkra me ye no me twa so me rush ba fie ba na issue ne say me tenants o mo me fie ho 9 na omuntumi entimi o ma ebre ama ya famienu akọ hospital na mmienu de ɔmo awu so akɔyɛ na ɛsɛ ma police for bɛm ti mi kɔ police station mi baayɛ na nti mi ka kɔ police station kɔ ma police for ti police for baayɛ nti afei na nhwehwɛmu ankasa deɛ ɛrekɔ so yɛnim ade pɔtea so far no yɛate sisi a mefiri hospital ɔkora na ɛba yɛatwe ɔmo mogya no ɛyɛ ɔmo a mmienu ɔmo hɔ no survivor na ɔmo survive no yɛatwe ɔmo mogya ne ɔmo ɛkɔ ɔmo kɔra ne test nti so far deɛ menim fa ho no
Yanko timantam no mu na aba beto dwa sɛ typhoid yadeɛ na yiniti wɔ hɔ paa yɛ typhoid fever no ai no wɔ ɛyɛ nkwanta north na ne nyinaa no yɛ nsu a wɔn nso sɛ wɔn ho nom no ɛnyɛ kaseɛ na kɔ hɔ ɛto aso
and then I just say a pensio.
ɛno akyi Eric Kojo Agboka ya ɔno yɛ nkwanta north mensene no mu panipa ɔhwɛ apɔmde ho nsɛm so ɛnso ɛde to dwa sɛ ɛsɛ aban ne mpanimfoɔ ka wɔn ho bom sɛ ne bɛyɛ a ɛnsu sɛm a ɛnyina ne nan so ɔmpɔtam hɔ no ɔno bɛtumi asi ano.
Most of them are not adhering to the protocols, selling food in a sieve or a glass container. And this has been some of the challenges. One typical issue too has been the health-seeking behavior. Most of them are not able, they like the herbal or their traditional way of treatment. So when the disease is not well treated, they keep on contaminating and infecting others as well. So those have been the situation which we are trying our best with the assembly and the environmental officers to work around the clock to change.
Adansi Traditional Council de to aban nanim sen kebeye ni manimi ya no bia no awiemhyɛn ekokoto ye ne de yenye honomo enkai bia echi ne benchi obi abetumi abonani akohoma ewo ho meka sei nananom atsankonya wa adansi akọ sikaman bofo edu akọ ya mamre ne amane e na ode sansemi etudwa
ya amane twato na tito ya de hye na so amu so a emu no se bibi besi abro se calamity bi besi a na chese o ma boa na afi ha ma hye be ye nwotwe a adansi ni ka ho aboaje nti ye be sra ba no se omra meye monument bi nipa nwotwe na na tipi ni e wo ya ha ma na ensevu a storage site forest at say historical facts yade a enyrada nti se ye wo mo ye mu no ayinu maya monument no maya na asevu a storage site obi aba no abi hunu akai nti ma no kura baba bi hu akai se enu bi atwam aban helicopter beto ha this year be ye nwotwe efiri mu nti no de ehia ye papa.
Ochna nyame ya aduma akwati aba election ne bekoso na bambofo posifo akire said wo ma ye krado twen so obebo nipa ne adehye ehuban
beda mo asese ye to nsa frɛ mo na maba abeka yensa na nne mo ne ye ne ye frɛ ne se community assurance patrols a twi mo ne ye beka ne se ye ma temamufoɔ arehye mu se ye wo hɔ ma mo enne patrols a ye da ne dia ye te ye mrante ni gu abonten no ya ye pa chiama akwatiafo nyinaa ate ne se munti na ye wa ha mo bambo nti ne ye wa ha se be ya election ne be kwa asumdwe mu nti na posi ye wa ha enne mo hwe ye nka se nam krom ye mrante nam krom ye commanders nso na ma mo kɔ community bia mu ene temamufoɔ na kodi nkita ho se mema obia ye mu nhyehyɛw ema obia nso na da wo se police abanti ye ba bebne hu obi enye no kra da bi da ye ba se ye bebɔ mo ho ban ye ba se ye ba behwe ama election na akɔ ano bɔkɔ nti obi opese obeto aba bia feel free na pia bonten na kɔto wa ba posifoɔ ɛwɔ hɔ ye behwe se basa bia ensi na ye kan sisu biom na ye ka se obi a waye na adwen abo ne team pɔsɛ oba bedi atutu asɛm de safoɔ no monkan hu se yaboa ye ho pa ama mo na wa obedi saa atutu asɛm bia ne ye de obefa emra kwan so sɛnea emra no ɛsɛ
Enye no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pay ye de asie ye da se mre ne adaje a wode ma yenti odaroma kan ye ho ne mfa da won krata no ne Adom online stories no entwaso ye kwa basisiye